Hello, today I'm going to tie the Cigar Bomber, an over-the-top bomber dry fly for Atlantic salmon. The hook is a Partridge Carrie Stevens 10 extra long heavyweight streamer hook, size 4. The thread I'm using is a Semperfli Nano silk 12/0 white. Start the thread at the halfway point and trim the tag. Next, take some calf tail, less than half the diameter of a pencil with the tips even, and trim the butts on a taper. Place the calf tail on top of the hook so the tips are slightly past the bend. Secure the tail with edge-to-edge wrap so the thread is even with the point. Next, wrap the thread forward towards the eye and stop before the eye. You want to leave a space behind the eye. Take the same amount of calf tail, even the tips, and trim the butts on a taper. Place it on top of the hook and measure so the wing is the same length as the tail. Secure the wing with edge-to-edge wraps. Build up the thread and add head cement and let it dry completely. Position the thread so it's even with the point. Next, secure the tail to the bend of the hook with wire to keep them out of the way, and wrap the wire around the wing to keep it together. For the hackle, I'm using 2 dyed brown Grizzly saddle hackles that's been folded. Secure the hackles by the tip one at a time from underneath the hook, starting at the base of the tail. Secure both hackles around the tail and hook with lead wire. Next, I'm going to secure the deer hair starting at the base of the tail all the way to the wing. Each section of the deer hair is approximately the diameter of a pencil. Each section is compressed using a brassy. Once you get to the wing, pull the deer hair fibers away from the wing and build up the thread in front of the deer hair. Whip finish, trim, and add head cement to the wrap. Once the deer hair is done all the way to the wing, I can start trimming the excess. This fly is over 2 inches long on the body, so I'm going to start off with long curved scissors. I'm trimming away most of the bulk first, then switch over to straight scissors to trim on a taper away from the tail. Using the straight scissors, trim the high and uneven areas of the body, then switch over to a razor blade to finish it. Next, start the same thread behind the wing and trim the tag. Remove the wire from the wing and the tail area to free the hackle. Next, wrap the first hackle forward along the body on a slight angle and evenly spaced and secured by the stem in front of the wing, followed by the second hackle on the same area and secured by the stem behind the wing. Build up the thread between the wing and the deer body. Next, take another small hackle, same as the body hackle, fold it, and trim the tip for the tying point. Secure it underneath the hook on the space between the body and the wing. Wrap it forward edge to edge and secure by the stem in front of the wing. Build up the thread, whip finish, and add head cement. And brush out the hackle to free any trapped fibers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button to see more of them. Thank you.